Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide messages on Android, a simple and effective way to keep your private conversations out of sight without deleting them. First, go to the Messages app on your device. This is where you send and receive all your text messages. Once the app is open, scroll through your conversation list and locate the message thread that you want to hide. Next, long press and hold on that conversation until it's selected. You'll notice a menu appear at the top of the screen. From here, tap on the archive icon in the top menu bar. As soon as you do that, the selected message will be hidden from your main inbox. Now, if you ever want to access those hidden messages, it's just as easy. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Messages app. Then select Archived from the menu. Here you'll find all the conversations you've hidden and you can restore them anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.